Laying the foundation, planning your property venture. Starting a property dealer business is exciting. It's also challenging. You need a solid plan. Think of it like building a house. You can't just start laying bricks, you need a blueprint. This plan will guide your decisions. It will help you stay on track. Execution is key. A great plan poorly executed is worthless. Be organized, focused, and persistent. Success in this business takes time and effort. Many people dream of being their own boss. The property market can be very lucrative, but don't jump in blindly. Understand the responsibilities involved. You'll be dealing with people's most valuable asset, their homes. You'll need to be knowledgeable, ethical, and trustworthy. Your reputation is everything in this business. A good reputation will bring you referrals and repeat customers. Know your turf market research and target audience. Before you buy or sell any property, know your market. Study local market trends. What types of properties are in demand? What are the price ranges? Is the market hot, cold, or somewhere in between? Understanding these factors will guide your business decisions. It will help you identify opportunities. Next, define your target audience. Are you focusing on first-time home buyers, luxury properties, commercial real estate? Each segment has unique needs and preferences. Tailor your services accordingly. Knowing your audience helps you target your marketing efforts. It allows you to speak directly to their needs and aspirations. Playing by the rules, legal and regulatory compliance. The real estate industry is heavily regulated. You need to understand the rules of the game. First, decide on your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Each has different legal and tax implications. Consult with an attorney and accountant to determine the best fit for your situation. Next, obtain all necessary licenses and permits. These vary by state and locality. Don't skip this step. Operating without proper licensing can lead to hefty fines and legal trouble. You can find information on licensing requirements from your state's real estate commission. Remember, compliance is an ongoing process. Stay updated on any changes in regulation.